Hello, I'm Kim of Love at Home, and I'm back today for another Clean With Me video. So I hope you enjoy, and I'll see you when I'm cleaning.
I like starting off my morning by turning on my diffuser and adding a few drops of either citrus essential oil or lemongrass essential oil. It just smells so good around the house.
Have you ever had those days when you're supposed to clean, but all of a sudden you feel like you have to do something else? Yeah, you're not alone. I'm like that too. So we have a tangerine tree at our garden here at our house, and I don't know, I just felt like getting some. And it's so cute, it's so tiny. Look at this. In the Philippines, this size is like the size of a calamansi.
In a few seconds, you will see how I clean, and I will also give you some voiceovers of how I clean things, how often I clean things, and all of that good stuff. You can see here that I am unloading the dishwasher so I can fill it up again with a new load. This is usually my first step because I feel that there is already a huge difference in clutter when we get rid of the dishes. Give this video a thumbs up if doing the dishes is your primary step in cleaning the kitchen. I'm also hand washing our dishes now because our dishwasher is broken, so we currently use our dishwasher as an overpriced dish rack. Comment down below, who among you uses the dishwasher as a dish rack? I mean, who does that, right? Apparently we do. I like keeping the kitchen counter free of clutter before I remove the food crumbs, and then I will spray it later on with a granite cleaner and wipe it off using a microfiber cloth. This task is ideally done every day. As for the cooktops, I normally do it once a day, but it is ideal to clean this after every use. I used the Clorox disinfecting wipes because it really removes the oil and food residue, and it's easy to use. After cleaning the counters, I'll be putting back all the appliances that I removed from the area. So, as much as I want this area to be clutter-free, I feel that out of convenience, we just put all the appliances that we use every day or twice a day in this area. So now we are going to look through our guns over here, and I'm going to choose this walis tambo, or it's a Philippine broom. So usually I use this because it's a lot easier for me to sweep the floor using this broom. It might not be too obvious in this video, but we have a lot of crumbs on the floor, and if you also have dark wood floor like us, it's ideal to sweep the floor every day. After sweeping the floor, I like using this Swiffer Wet Jet mop, so it's a lot easier for me to use this than the traditional mop. And you can see here that I am changing the mop refills with this new one. As we enter a new decade, a lot of people have goals such as losing weight, earning more money, and now the popular cutting toxic people out of your life concept. And while all those are good, do you have a goal for your home? Did you know that letting your home get dirty or disorganized can negatively affect your mental and physical well-being? A 2010 study in the Personality and Social Psychology Bulletin revealed that women with messier homes have higher levels of cortisol than those with tidy houses, which means that our stress levels are related to our space. At At the end of the day, I would clean our sink because it's also ideal to do this every night. And what I would do is after I remove the food residue on the sink, I would soap it all with a different sponge, not the sponge that I use with the dishes, but I have a separate sponge for this particular sink. So I would soap it all over, and afterwards I would spray it with an alcohol disinfectant. I would use the same disinfectant to clean the sink of our bathroom and the faucets. Sometimes we need a little push to help ourselves build good habits. Why not make this new year be a fresh start for you? The question for this video is, what are your goals for 2020? Comment them down below.
So I just finished eating dinner and I'm having this for dessert. I know it's weird. I had cookies and cream ice cream and I'm gonna mix it all together with this original lace. It tastes so similar with 21 Choices couch potato and I love it. I know I'm weird, but it's so good. Don't knock it till you try it.
So if you reached this part, make sure you like this video, hit subscribe, and click the bell notification icon over here, or I think over here, it depends. So you will be notified that I upload every Thursday, 5 p.m. PST. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next week. Bye! From me and my ice cream. So good. The sweetness and the saltiness